Hi guys! Welcome back to Ate Josa's Kitchen. So, ayan, magluluto tayo ngayon ng sinigang na hipon. So, of course, ang ating ingredients, hipon. And, meron tayo ditong sibuyas, kamatis at chili, siling haba, radish, okra, and kangkong. And sinigang mix. So, umpisahan na natin magluto. So first, of course, magpapakulo muna tayo ng water. And then you add 1 tablespoon of salt. So I use rock salt. So depende sa dami. Kung mas maraming sabaw, mas maraming asin. And then just mix it. Now you can add our kamatis, sibuyas at siling haba. But you can add more kamatis. The more mas maraming kamatis, the more na magiging mas masarap ang ating sinigang. So, I will add my kamatis. Then, let's cover and cook for 15 minutes. And this is our hipon or shrimp. Just make sure na nalinisan natin ang ating shrimp. And then after 15 minutes, we can now add our vegetables. So the first thing na i-add natin is our radish or labanos. And then after 2 minutes again, so you can add the okra. So there is a 2 minutes interval of putting our ingredients, our vegetables, para hindi masyadong ma-overcook. Yan, so just mix it. And then, after 2 minutes, you can now add our okra. But if you also have a sitaw or string beans, you can add again the sitaw. But for this time, I don't have sitaw in my ref, kaya wala muna tayong sitaw for this time. Now we can add our Nor sinigang sa sampalok mix, the original one. So you can tansya if you want more maasim. Dagdagan mo ng sinigang mix. You can taste it. And then aside from sinigang mix, I added also a fish sauce or patis to make our sinigang more tastier and delicious. Then just mix well again. And after 1 minute, we can now add our main ingredients, which is our shrimp or hipon. So let's add now our shrimps and cook for 1 minute. Just mix it again. And after 1 minute, we can now add our kangkong and stir well. Then let's cook again for another 1 minute. Ayan, naaamoy ko na yung amoy shrimp. At nagugutom na ako. At tamang-tama, dahil maulan ngayon, masarap humigop ng mainit na sabaw. Mainit na sabaw ng sinigang na hipon. And this dish is my all-time favorite. So actually, kahit anong luto ng shrimp, it's my favorite. Then let's just stir with kangkong and cook our shrimp for another 3 minutes. So after 3 minutes, it's already cooked. So wag natin papalampasin doon para hindi ma-overcook ang ating shrimps. So, ayan guys, kumukulo na siya ulit. And now, it's cooked na. And it's ready to serve. And it's tikiman time. So yummy. It's very delicious and appetizing. I'm sure mauubusan na naman tayo ng isang kalderong kanin. And kakain na! So that's all for today's video guys. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo while watching this video and I hope na may natutunan kayo ulit na recipe sa video na to. And if you like this video, please give me a like, comment, and of course subscribe. Thank you for watching guys and see you on my next vlog. Bye bye.